Hi guys, this is Barzanyo again at welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. At syempre ngayong araw guys, talaga naman i-react natin ngayon guys yung Franz Rhythm na miss ko tong family, Birad family, no? Ang pinagmamalaki ng Pilipinas, isa sa mga banda na talagang hahangaan mo at talagang napakabait at napaka-humble na magkakapatid na to. From Bohol, with love, Franz Rhythm. At ngayon guys, no, nagulat ako kasi nakita ko yung Love of a Lifetime. Grabe guys, this is one of my favorite na song ng Firehouse. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Di ba? So anyway guys, hindi rin papatagalin, samahan ninyo ko. Nagawa ng video reactions, talagang napaano guys, na-miss ko to. Si Dudes, napakalaki na rito, tumangkad na siya. At simulan natin to guys, tara let's bagets. Sarap! Ooh! I love this!
I guess this time was right for us to say we take our time and live our lives together day by day. Make a wish and send it on a prayer.
Sarap ng boses.
We know our dreams can all come true with love that we can share. If you would never wonder,
What?
will you be there for me?
I love it!
If you would never wonder,
Alright!
you're the right one for
Ooh.
me. Finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through.
Grabe!
Finally found the love of a lifetime,
Grabe na to, ang ganda.
forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime.
Ooh, gusto ko yung gitara ni Chen.
We had a kiss, our love is like brand new,
Galing.
and every star's up in the sky was made for me and you. Still we both know that the road is long. We know that we will be together because our love is strong. I finally found the love of a lifetime,
Sarap.
last my whole life through.
What?
Finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime.
Ooh! Grabe, Master Chen! Ooh!
Finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love
Yun!
of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Finally found the love.
Grabe! Ooh! Hataw! Alright! Ooh! Master Chen! Grabe yun. Grabe! France Rhythm in the house! Alright, talaga naman na nabigla ako dito guys. Talagang mapapa-headbang ka. Talagang napapa-headbang ako guys. Grabe ang lupet. No guys, ako dito guys talaga. Alam nyo guys, ever since nag-ari ako dito sa France Rhythm, talaga mapapa-headbang ka. Talagang papasayaw ka. Lalo pag mga ganitong tugtugan guys, the best ang France Rhythm talaga guys. Talagang nakaka-relax yung mga kanta nila. At totally, I really miss them. No, na-miss ko sila guys, especially sa lahat ng mga viewers at fans din ng France Rhythm. I miss you all guys. Talagang ang ganda kasi favorite ko tong itong awitin to guys, no. Firehouse, no. At 80s, 90s yan, pinapakinggan namin yan. So, tapos nagustuhan ko dito yung boses ni Master Char. Talagang napaka-versatile. At the same time, syempre, yung papikit-pikit ni Master Chen talaga namang dinadama yung kanyang paggigitara, no. Ang ganda at napaka-smooth. Talagang ganda ng adlib, guys. Mamaya, natin yung guys, i-highlight natin. At try kong unti-untiin na i-review, no, yung kanilang mga tugtugan. Syempre, si Daddy France, na talagang nakapaapa. No, pero ganda ng bass, guys. At syempre, ang kanilang bunso, si Dudes, lakas pumalo na. Iba na yung palo niya. Dati maliit pa siya, no? Ngayon, malaki na siya. Anyway, guys, simulan natin to at try natin i-reviewin, guys, yung kanilang performance dito sa Love of Lighter. So, play natin to, guys. Tara, let's pagkat samahan nyo ako. Ganda ng palo, guys, talaga ng pasasya na po, yung palo ni Dudes. Ganda. Isa pa. Try natin. Ayan, no? Di ba? Tapos dinugtungan pa ng guitar, no, ng electric guitar, ng lead guitar ni Chen. Play natin. Limaw. Yan.
Guess this time was right for us to say
Right.
we take our time and live our lives together day by day. Make a wish and send it on a prayer.
Ganda ng boses, buong buo, no, ang linis.
We know our dreams
Grabe.
can all come true with love that we can share.
Dati Prince, nakapaapa.
You are never one.
Wow!
Will you be
Gustong-gusto ko yung second voice ni Master Chen. Sabay sila ni Master Char, Grabe, ulit natin ito, guys. Tingin nyo. Ito na. Sarap.
for me? If you are never wonder, you're the right one for me.
Yon! 1, 2, 3, go!
Love of a lifetime.
Ganda ng sagutan.
A love to last my whole life through. Found the love of a lifetime. Forever in my heart, I finally found the love of a
Ooh! Guys, bago natin simulan si Master Chen, tignan nyo yung palo din ni Dudes. Ang ganda. Sabay, tignan natin guys yung dito, yung lead guitar ni Master Chen. Play natin si Dudes, guys. Tignan natin. Go, Dudes! Oh, alright. Talaga naman. Alright. Nakita nyo guys, yung giggle, yung talagang sinasakal yung gitara. Talagang, giggle, di ba? Ang ganda. Dito guys, ito na. Siya nagigil.
every stars up in the sky was made for me and you. Still
Nawala yung giggle. Pasensya na po. Naligtan ko.
and every stars up in the sky
Nawala.
was made for me and you. Still
Wala, nalapas ako na ata.
The road is long. We know that we will be together.
Alright!
Cause our love is strong.
Oh, kita nyo guys yung buga ng ano doon, guys, yung buga ng boses ni Char. Ang linas, di ba? Tingnan natin. Hindi siya hirap, ah. Alright! Talaga yung paani, Master Chen, mabilis, ha? At yung combination ng kanilang voicing dito, ang ganda, ah.
That's my whole life through.
Ooh!
Found the love of a lifetime.
Dudes! Ooh! Alright! Woo! Yon! Grabe! Gustong gusto ko yung giggle doon ni Chen. Ulitin natin guys, pasasya na po, ah. Yun, oh! Grabe yung ginawa ni Master Chen. Yan, oh. Halimaw! Ooh! Pero guys, yung bass ni Daddy Franz, ang lupit, ah. Ganda rin, oh. Alright! Grabe! Nakita niyo yung gigil doon ni Master Char. Ang ganda ng boss pa rin, ha? Yan, no? Love! Ang ganda, guys. Ulitin natin. Ang ganda, no? Ulitin natin. Ayan ang guys. Talagang todo bigay. Isa pa. Finally found the love. Finally found the love. Yon! Ito yung part na hinihintay ko, guys, pa. Alright! Halimaw! Ooh! Right! Halimaw! Sarap! Grabe! Ang sarap! Grabe! Yan lang Franz Rhythm, guys, na talaga naman babalik-balikan mo. Na-miss ko to, guys. Sobra talaga. Ay! Anyway guys, sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo at talaga naman ako talaga guys, talagang sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito sa napakagandang performance. Talagang overall guys, talagang pack na pack. 100% totally good or best performance ng Franz Rhythm. At talagang salamat sa Diyos sa lahat ng mga guys, palakpakan natin. At guys, ito inaalay ko po itong last video reaction natin. Hindi na po akong sasalita, timing lang ako. Namnamin natin ang tugtugan mula sa Franz Rhythm, Love of a Lifetime. At pakinggan natin to guys, at ito ay para sa lahat ng aking mga subscriber at syempre sa lahat na nagmamahal dito sa France Rhythm.
I guess this time was right for us to say we take our time and live our lives together day by day. Make a wish and send it on a prayer. We know our dreams can all come true with love that we can share.
2, 3.
You will never wonder, will you be there for me? If you will never wonder, you're the right one for me. Finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through. Finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. We had a kiss, our love is like brand new. And every star's up in the sky was made for me and you. Still we both know that the road is long. We know that we will be together because our love is strong. Finally found the love of a lifetime, last my whole life through. Finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Finally found the love of a lifetime, a love to last my whole life through. I finally found the love of a lifetime, forever in my heart. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Finally found the Thank you so much for watching.
Alright, and this Marzano again, and to God be the glory guys. Bye bye po.
Do 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 do